Hey guys, the voice of the blockchain here. Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest, champagne crypto. Thanks for tuning in. Guys, today I'm talking about Bitcoin, EOS, Vechain, Zencash, and more price spikes. Bitmex temporarily paused the trading after the price had spiked and more. But first, let me shout out all the champagne crypto maniacs out there. Jojo Wave, Joey, Alex, and the rest of the boomers that are tuning into this live broadcast. Indeed, this is a live broadcast, Champagne Crypto. Touch all the buttons right now if you can. Subscribe, like, the post notification bells, and more. Kaboom to that. Just tuning in, this is a live broadcast. I want you touching all the buttons. We're just getting started. I see Joey, I see 10X, I see CryptoZilla saying call him out, the foxholes champ. Indeed, Cliff Martin, I see you. Kaboom to you. The energy's right. Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrencies have spiked up. It's been a kaboom. I see a little bit of bits dropping out the ceiling. The snipers are out the foxholes. I see you guys out there. Today we're talking about these price spikes, Bitmex pausing trading temporarily, and where this is all headed to. Let's go ahead and check out today's mathematics. And I'm over here on Coin 360. This is a graph that a lot of tubers have been sharing, and I like it because it gives you a visual representation as to the size of Bitcoin compared to some of the other alternative coins like Ethereum and Ripple. You can just see the size out there. A lot of green on the pasture, a lot of green on the field out there. It looks healthy. It looks healthy out there, crypto boomers. Let's go ahead and check out today's mathematics over there with Coin Market Cap and see how healthy the markets are, or ill the markets are looking today. Hit refresh over here. And there we go. Top 100 cryptos, market cap at 217 billion worldwide, 53% on the Bitcoin dominance. So BTC dominance has increased. Compared to yesterday, which we were at 52.5, it's just a small increase, but we're seeing green on the field. So a lot of the altcoins have spiked as well. Bitcoin currently at 66.80. Now, apparently there was a spike all the way to about $7,000 out there. Not before Bitmex paused the trading temporarily out there. Some people are saying possible manipulation of the markets. We're going to be talking about that as well. And we got Ethereum at 286. It looks like Ether has been trapped under $300 for some time now. Will Ether climb over this resistance level of 300? It's looking slim for Ether. Somebody get some creatine for Vitalik right now. Ripple, trash bags, 34 cents. No need to talk about that. Bitcoin Cash at 549. BCH out there. A competitor. There's a lot of haters out there with Bitcoin Cash. But Bitcoin Cash will not go away. EOS, one of the top gainers there, the top 20. EOS is back over $5 at 506. Stellar Lumens at 22 cents. Litecoin also gaining weight about 4% in the past 24 hours. We see it now at 57. Litecoin needs to get over $60 soon. Tether still at $1. Cardano at 9 cents. Monero at $95. Guys, you know how I feel about Monero, guys. This one right here arguably is the last true crypto, if you ask me. Always have a little baggie of Monero in my personal opinion. Okay, it's my personal opinion. Always have a little, at least a little nickel bag out there just in case the rest of the altcoins dry up. IOTA at $54. Tron at 2 cents. Ether Classic, one of the most sought after cryptos this week right now. A lot of boomers have been talking about ETH Classic. We did a little bit of an analysis yesterday trying to find out those top crypto, the top performers of 2018. ETH Classic was definitely on that list. And then when we cross-referenced it to the capacity utilization index and the current transactions going on the blockchain, Ethereum Classic appeared there as well. So not only is it a performer as far as maintaining its value, it has a lot of transactions up there with the top 10 most used cryptocurrency blockchains out there in the markets out there. I see David Tran, I see Joey Alex, I see McLovin, the Irish R&B singer. Kaboom to you. Shalom. We got that pump champ. Yes, indeed. Shalom. It's looking healthy. You know the boomers, we're not going anywhere. The boomers are still here, guys. Kaboom the buttons. I need you touching the subscribe, the like, the post notification. Let them know that the savages are still on the field. The snipers are still on the field out here. Kaboom worldwide. We got David Tran there today. Boom tomorrow. Gloomer doomer. I don't know, David Tran. I don't know. You know, there's no reason to put any more negativity on the markets. It looks positive, okay? But perhaps maybe you're just a troll and you like negativity, but let it go, okay? Let the boom flow through you out there, David. Let the boom flow through you. Let the rest of the population of the chat box infect you with the positivity, David. Perhaps you need it, okay? Rafterman R, I see you. Yo, champ. Cliff Martin says, haha, funny bunny out there. We see these funny bunny cats out there. Don't act like a funny bunny. I see the funny bunny cats out there, the little baby bear cubs out there. I see you out there. Shout out to the babies. I see the cubs out there. Okay, some are not happy with it, with this price pump. So, you know, if you're a cub, if you're a little baby bear cub, a little funny bunny out there, get out the box out there. Or stick around, silent lurk, and let people like Shalom, like Rafterman, like Jojo, like McLovin infect you with this positive energy that we're booming with here daily. Shorts still high, no? CryptoZilla said, yeah, we seen that some of the shorts got squeezed out there. I don't know if the shorts remain, but, you know, a lot of shorts got squeezed, and what we mean by that, I didn't know much about that term, but it makes sense. You know, people putting shorts in, the price went too high, they got to buy back to cover their losses out there. At least take half off of the table through ETF news is coming out tomorrow. Says Shalom. That may be a good strategy, Shalom. When it comes to these crypto, we got to get on it like Co and the gang, says Gary Steele. Shout out to Gary. I see you out there. So let's go ahead and look at these headlines out here. Bitcoin surges 4% as crypto exchange Bitmex initiates maintenance. This article is down here. Here's the Bitmex situation. Bitmex postponed the resumption of its system for several minutes after some users reported difficulty logging in. Apart from the minor hiccup in the logging in process, the maintenance was executed properly. So some users are reporting difficulty logging in. You know, they're claiming that, you know, it's funny that there was difficulties here logging in at the same time things are going up. The question is there funny bunny business going on here, the Bitmex exchange? We don't know. I think one of these articles talked about it directly here. Right now on schedule, Bitmex users were automatically signed out as the exchange trading systems went offline on August 22nd. Bitmex trading ground to a halt. Bitcoin saw a surge of buying volume rising from 64 to 67 within a minute. In the minutes that followed, BTC continued upwards, temporarily peaking at 6,900. I read another article, it was 7,000. Okay, altcoins followed. Okay, the Bitmex maintenance pump represents a big win for short-term longs, yet a loss for investor, says crypto marker Alex Kruger here on Twitter. You could read more about that. While not explicitly stated, the statement implies that this price jump, or pump as he called it, was rather an act of manipulation rather than a bona fide bullish move. But to some, a price surge achieved through any means can be seen as something positive. At the time of writing, Bitcoin has found a place to stand around 66.90, while with the investors keeping their eyes peeled on where the price of the asset will move next. So, you know, there's speculation that, you know, there's a pump, you know, that they're playing funny bunny. I don't know if it's true or not, but I'll take the, you know, Shalom says, you know, they stop people from selling. Sounds like some old school Coinbase happenings. Price dips, oops, can't buy. You know, price spikes now. You know, they liquidated the short, says Shalom. So, you know, apparently there's some funny bunny out there. I'll take it. You know, I've never been a fan of shorting the bits. I think if you're shorting the bits, not only are you playing with fire, but arguably you're throwing bad karma into the cryptocurrency market. Okay, I wouldn't want to play the antithesis to crypto anyhow, at any time. I wouldn't want to put that negative energy out there. But you know, I know that there's people that play the market out there. They want to play the shorts. You know, in my personal opinion, I'm not out here to make fiat. I'm out here to stack bits. So you know, that's what it is. Shout out to Cryptonomicon. These crypto whales getting sloppy, manipulating Bitcoin happens so much they're getting carried away. Perhaps maybe so. Okay, you know, these whales out there. Let's see. Bitcoin jumps 420 minutes after Bitmex maintenance triggers massive short squeeze. Okay, so, everybody's talking about this. It looks like, they want to blame the pump there on Bitmex or whatnot. I mean, I'll take the price jump. I'll take it, why not? Bitcoin surged 400 in about 20 minutes after crypto derivatives exchange went into scheduled maintenance. Its downtime led to a short squeeze as traders capitalized on it to liquidate short sellers' positions. Okay, they got liquidated out there playing funny bunny, trying to short Bitcoin. Okay, trying to short Bitcoin. If Bitmex was open, we would have got a red candle down to where we started. Interesting, says Jojo Wave, Shalom's comment there, if about the red candle. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. We don't know, but I'll take that price spike, Shalom. I'll take the price spike out here. I wasn't shorting Bitcoin. I probably never will. Karma-wise, I just don't believe in it. For the same reason, I'm not holding Ripple, although it may go up. I'm just not gonna, get into that. Okay, so, apparently this is a good thing, for the price at least. Is Bitmex up to funny bunny? Guys, the majority of these crypto exchanges, guys, these guys in the suit and tie are not our friends, okay? These regulators are not our friends. They're not here to protect you. They're here to protect themselves and their own investments, okay? That's the way it is. So that's more evidence as to why you guys need to take responsibility for your own actions. Be responsible for your own moves. Don't wait for another man to save you out there. Don't wait for the other guy upstairs to give you the pat on the back. Everybody's looking out for themselves, and you should too, okay? Bitmex may be looking out for themselves. They may have to do a temporary close so that they can do the funny bunny out there. Okay, so they can do the funny bunny. I don't have actual evidence to prove it, but, one may... the actions may lead you to question that. Bitmex is funny bunny, says BitPapa. When Bitmex comes back up, the market might dip. I believe the market went on. I believe Bitmex has already been back up. I think it was only off for about 15 minutes. Yep, that's what they do. They move 18,000 Bitcoin to exchanges on Monday, I believe, says Shalom Dunn. So, a lot of people here in the box, the population of the chat box, are speculating funny bunny activities. I don't doubt it, guys. I don't doubt it at all. Okay, but I'll take it. I'll take it. Too many people wanted to short the bits out there. Too many people want to short the bits. You guys got squeezed out the box out there. It was all intentional. I had orders at 68.25 waiting for a short squeeze, and these bozo pulled the shit off. Now I'm down 200, says Cryptonomicon. Bitmex is 40% of Bitcoin volume, says Shalom Dunn. Yeah, I see that. I see that. I wonder, is Bitmex bigger than Binance? I think Binance is bigger now, but it seems like Bitmex has enough volume to sway the markets out there. NYC is like the honey badger. It don't care about SEC or anything. It will do what it does, says Rafterman R. Huge out there, says Cliff Martin. 40%. So Shalom sharing that 40% of the Bitcoin volume is out there on Bitmex. Joey Alex says that's true. I have no way to cross-reference that, but I have no reason to doubt Shalom out there. So he's probably right. It's well overfeed funny bunny that is pulling the slot wheel as fast as we can. It's an well overfeed funny bunny that is pulling the slot wheel as fast as it can, says CryptoZilla. So you see a possible funny bunny activity out there, and that's what it is. But I'll take it. I'll take it. It's a spike in the price. I'll take it. And there's definitely, guys, there's definitely a lot of bullish news out there bubbling on the markets, and we've been patiently waiting here for a kaboom. If you check out tradingview.com, you can see some of the bullish articles that are popping up here. There was one, and I should have linked this down below, and I will after the broadcast. CNBC Bitcoin indicator is pointing to a massive rally soon. So this gentleman here on TradingView, Jacob Canfield, okay, and I believe he's also on Twitter, I Love Crypto, if I'm not mistaken, or excuse me, on YouTube. I think it's I Love Crypto, if I'm not mistaken, one of the channels out there. And let this thing load up. But he made a pretty interesting graph here where he went backwards on the Twitter timeline, on CNBC's Twitter timeline, and he basically mined both the bearish tweets and the bullish tweets, and basically tracked them out here on the graph to show you what the where the tweets were according to the price. So you could see all the bullish tweets are when Bitcoin is up, and then all the bearish tweets are when Bitcoin is down. And you could see that according to him, you could read this. If you follow these trends, you could see that before before the price goes up, there's usually a bunch of negative tweets by CNBC. And according to this article, right now we're getting a flurry of negative tweets from CNBC's, which leads him to believe that this is an indicator pointing to a massive rally coming soon. So you guys could read this all. I wish this would actually, if this graph could actually, how do I maximize this graph? I don't know, so I could read it better. But anyhow, I'll link it down below after the broadcast. I forgot to do that, but it's on TradingView. And the name of this article is CNBC Bitcoin Indicators Pointing to a Massive Rally Soon, where this gentleman, he tracks both the bullish and bearish tweets from CNBC back to December. And then he puts them up on this charts. And he says, according to this, after a slew of negative tweets, usually we see a kaboom. So that's what, you know, their tweets have been positive though, champ. Well, according to this graph, again, I'm going to by what this article is saying, by what he's doing here. We're in a slew of negative tweets. So the last one that he just tracked was a tweet that says, does Bitcoin have to go to hell before it goes to heaven? Crypto King Bart Smith explains how Bitcoin can ascend. Okay, Bitcoin bulls beware. Former PayPal CEO Bill Harris calls the crypto a cult. Okay, so these are some bearish tweets that have been posted recently. And according to this article, again, this is not my article. It's not my graph. I'm just sharing this interesting graph out here. This gentleman, I believe, is I Love Crypto on Twitter and on YouTube. Okay, I just seen this come up on my feed. I found it interesting, and why not share it? Definitely, it's, you know, something that indicates a bullish rally coming soon. And, you know, Champagne, I'm always looking for positive news, positive indicators. I'm not here for the doom and gloom. I'm not here for the crypto gossip talk, for the crypto scam talk or anything like that. I want to mine the data that will lead us on the route to crypto victory. Okay, crypto victory is what we're doing out here, boomers. Okay, shout out to Namacon, Cliff Martin, Bit Papa, Joey Alex, Jojo Wave, and the rest of the boomers. Guys, touch the buttons for me. Touch the buttons for me. All the buttons out there that like to subscribe, the post notification bell, just in case Champagne is shadow banned by these lefty media outlets out there. You know they don't want us to win out there. They're probably, you know, shadow banning the kid on the search results. One needs to question. You got 15,000 subs out here, and we got 36 people showing up for the party. It smells like possible shadow ban. Okay. Anyhow, there's no reason to complain about that, because I am grateful for these 36 people watching right now, whether it's 36, 3.6, or just one in the box out there. You know, I'll be booming daily. Derek McLean is saying that my post notification doesn't work. I wonder why, Derek. I wonder why. Apparently, everybody else's is working. If you're, you know, a crypto lefty, okay, if you're a crypto nice guy, okay, perhaps your notification works. But if you get a little aggressive on the networks out there and you're not in tandem with the agenda, perhaps you're put in the bad guy list, okay? Cryptonomicon didn't get notified either. Okay, so there's people touching the post notification bell and they're not getting notified, guys. These people are playing with your search results. So make sure you're focused on the real boomers out here. Don't act like Champagne hasn't been on the field out here with the sniper guns, telling you guys that this is a boom like no other, a kaboom like no others. Jojo Wave out there says, guys, make sure you click that bell next to the subscribe button. Indeed, guys, just, you know, definitely shadow ban, says Cryptonomicon. You've been said it, you know, Nomicon. You know, the boomers know, okay? The boomers know who's been out here on the field. Not only they're shadow banning me, but I see now people trying to take the slang, act like they're the voice of the blockchain out there. It's funny, bunny. You know, I'll go ahead and, you know, I should be flattered. I should be flattered, but they're not inviting Champagne out there. Okay, people saying they're the voice of the blockchain. Guys, the real voice of the blockchain here is Satoshi's biggest cousin. Okay, and you guys know who the real boomers are, guys. Before these guys entered the space, or they even got on the live stream, Champagne was booming with the best of them. It's okay, though, champ. We're still here, and we'll continue to do so. Yeah, I mean, I just want you guys to know what the truths and the facts are. Okay, you know, sometimes they want to label you a conspiracy theorist, throw you in the bad guys list out there. And, you know, there's more evidence to prove that I'm not, you know, just making up stories here. There's evidence here in the box. People are saying, hey, I'm not getting the notification. Got a sniper shot tomorrow. More bags, Bitcoin, says Rafterman R. Shout out to Rafterman. He's definitely a sniper there in the foxholes of the blockchain battlefield trenches. If you're just tuning in, Bitcoin, EOS, Vechain, Zencash, and more price spikes. Bitmex pauses trading temporarily. People are saying that they're acting funny bunny. So let me go ahead and pull out the bunny again for Bitmex just in case. Bitmex may be acting funny bunny, but we'll take the funny bunny activity if it's causing the price to kaboom. No one can take your spot, Chief, says Tech48. Guys, they know who the real boomers are. We got silent lurkers out here. They're trying to boom like champagne. They're trying to jack the slang out there. They should be ashamed of themselves. They know who the boomers are. I invite those silent lurkers just to jump here in the population of the chat box and let us know that they're here, guys. We feel your energy, guys. We will continue to be the voice of the blockchain here, no matter if you want to jack the slang or not. Continue to tune in. The 38 watching are a lot more valuable than maybe the 380 that are watching on the other side. Okay, guys? And that's the fact out there. Shout out to Namacon. Shout out to Cliff Martin. I like the energy this morning. Champ says, Papa, the energy is always up. We're always booming. We won't stop yelling. We won't stop kabooming, spitting. I know I'm not the most polished tuber on the internet, okay? I know I stutter. I'm not the most articulate out there, but guys, the energy is higher than your favorite YouTuber, okay? And that YouTuber, I'm his favorite YouTuber, and I sense their energy here in the box. That's what it is, guys. Sometimes you got to put these little baby bear cubs in check. I see you, baby bear cubs. There's only one champagne crypto for me, kaboom. Thank you, Fanny. I appreciate that. Cryptonomicon says facts out there. Guys, go ahead and touch the buttons out there just in case we're being shadow banned. Apparently, we are, okay? 39 in the box this morning. It looks like slightly we're getting a little bit bigger population. I want to get this number to at least 100 back before the next bull run. Shout out to Karan Bell. Hey, UK in the house. Back for the bull run. Shout out to Karan Bell. Kaboom to you as well. Bit Papa says, you're the shit, champ. Get those flies off of you. These haters are going to hate. That's right, Bougie. Do you. I love the baby bear cub dancing out there. These little baby bear cubs out there. They're looking funny bunny out there. What we need is more snipers on the field. If you're just tuning in, we've been talking about Bitcoin, EOS, Vechain, and Zencash. It looks like a lot of those altcoins price have spiked. Bitmex paused trading temporarily, according to the information that I've gathered. I believe that Bitmex is already back online. So apparently they were up to some funny bunny, is what the speculation in the chat box is. We don't have direct evidence to prove that, but it looks, someone said it. I think it was who was it? Somebody there in the box that said that Bitmex is acting like Coinbase used to act when the price would spike high. So, that's definitely a point. How do you do the effects with the baby bear dancing and music? A magician doesn't reveal all his secrets, Derek. No, I use OBS, and, I source these on my own. I go ahead and I dig in the crates out here, okay? I got these gifts. I don't want these tubers now trying to take my slang, and now they take my effects out there. Remember who's the first snipers in the foxhole. Remember who were the original boomers out there. And I see people on 4chan calling themselves boomers too. They're trying to jack the slang. Guys, I'm going to have to start charging these guys royalties out here. Yo, champ, you should tax write off these tubers off as dependents. Yeah, they're all my children out there. They're all my children. Champagne is not your father, but maybe I should be out there, guys. The Wizard of Oz says, Bit Papa. I have 15,000 Vechain, not much, but let's see what happens next, says Roger Oliver. Shout out to Roger, one of our kaboomers, one of our generals there in the box. Kaboom to you. He just picked up some Vechain. Vechain's pumping. Vechain's pumping. Derek McLean says, you're funny as hell. Guys, we want to make sure that we keep things lighthearted. There's, comedy sometimes soothes the situation out here. So, keep things comedic, but educational as well. and physical as well too. I want you guys pumping, okay? If we're not looking like 300 by the end of the year, I'm gonna throw you out the box. Okay, so Jojo, are you working out? Roger, are you working out? Bit Papa, are you working out? Namakan, are you working out? I need to know. Derek, you working out, okay? I don't want you guys just trading here, playing PS4, getting fat every day, guys. I need you guys booming with the best of them there in the chat box. Kaboom to that. Kaboom to Roger Oliver, always showing love. Roger, I really appreciate you. If, you know, Roger's like, it seems like every single time Roger drops a couple bucks there in the chat box, a little fiat there. I appreciate that, Roger. Thank you very much. Yo, champ, I started doing Insanity. Namakan, congratulations. I've done Insanity myself years back. And let me tell you, it's a tough program out there. It's a tough program. You know, Insanity high interval training, hit training, okay? Roger says, my pleasure, champ. Thank you very much, Roger. Guys, if you want to drop a little fiat there in the chat box, I'll go ahead and take it, guys. You know, like I said, you know, this fiat pays bills, and, you know, I'll take some bits as well. So go ahead and, you know, drop a little fiat in the box if you feel like, if you're feeling gratuitous. My pleasure, champ, says Roger. Thank you again, Roger. Hell yeah, your coin count should be way up by the end of the year. Says Shalom. Shanti is no joke. I love it. How can we send money, says Cryptonomicon. I really don't know. Ask Roger, but I think there's something called the super chat here. If you click the super chat, there's a way to send money here. You know, I would love to answer that question directly, but you know, search super chat. But there's a way to, you know, tip the tubers here through the chat box. And if you guys want to feel gratuitous, I'll take $1, $3, $100, $200, whatever it is. You know, why not? You know, I got the little tip jar out there. Why not take it? You know, why not? And you know, don't feel obligated either, because I'm here, you know, providing the good information for free. It's not all about the gratuity, but you know how it is, guys. Why not take it? Save some for us, Sky Operator. All right, I'll show that one too. You know, Big Papa. Any curse word is somehow filtered there in the chat box, but you know, you guys are all grown men. We can let that one slide. I'm in the gym as we speak. Bench, squat, deadlift, barbell press, pull-ups today. Boom! Shout out to Jojo Wade, guys. I told you, I need you getting stronger every day. Okay, Champagne's been following the Strong Lifts 5x5, and you know, it's designed to make you stronger. It says that, you know, for the baby bear cubs out there, for the little guys, you can gain as much as 24 pounds per year of muscle, okay, which, you know, is pretty aggressive. It's pretty aggressive. It's harder to build muscle than it is to burn fat out there, guys. You know, it's harder to build muscle than it is to burn fat out there, and we're building muscles and getting stronger. So shout out to Jojo Wave out there doing the barbell exercises, those compound exercises. I like them, okay? I think the compound exercises with heavy weights is where it's at. Shout out to Namakan. He was asking how to throw a tip. He figured it out. He threw me $2. Kaboom to you, Namakan. I appreciate you, Namakan. Thank you for tuning into all these broadcasts, dropping comments, and staying active there in the box. A little fiat was dropped there by Namakan in the box. Follow the lead out there, boomers. Throw $1 or $2, or, you know, why not? You know, show some love in the box out here. Why not? Thanks, Cryptonomicon. He says Roger Oliver. Absolutely. Thank you very much, Namakan. Shout out to you. I go once a week, not much, but it's better than nothing, says Roger Oliver. So, you know, Roger is out there trying to train, okay, doing what he can out there to, you know, improve his physical appearance, his physical health out there, and that's good. You know, you can start off with one day. I recommend you guys go at least 2 to 3 times a week. You know, maybe 1 time a week is not sufficient, but it's definitely a place to start. You know, it's better than 0. So, you know, I'm sending my positive energy out there to Roger. Hopefully we can motivate you to do a little bit more out there. Again, thank you to Cryptonomicon for dropping some fiat there in the box. I appreciate it, Nomicon. Always, champ, wish I could send crypto. Yeah, yeah, maybe I should put that donation address there in the box. We used to do that before, but it seems like most people rather hodl their crypto and spend their fiat out there. But, you know, maybe, you know, perhaps I'll put a little donation there, a Bitcoin address or a Litecoin address or something like that. Yo, champ, I'm going hard this fall and winter. By next year, looking like Leonidas. Okay, indeed. We're going to look like 300 by the end of the year, crypto maniacs. We're not playing games. Chess and try day today for me. Big champ, says Thomas Whelan. Shout out to Thomas out there doing the chess and tries out there. What up, Champagne? How's it going? Smooth operator just jumped into the box. It's going good out here. Operator, things are looking sexy today. You can see here on the charts, nothing but green. Bitcoin's up about 4% today. ETH is up a little. Even the trash bag Ripple is growing a little bit in size out there. Bitcoin Cash almost up 4%. It looks like everything is green on the field, green on the pastures, and it's feeling good. It's feeling good. You can see here on the cryptocurrency market caps, the bags are at 217 billion. Bitcoin dominance at 53. And, you know, look, it seems like whatever happened at Bitmex, they paused their trading temporarily. It looks like some shorts got squeezed out there. And, you know, we ended up benefiting from this price pump. So that's what it is. BitPapa has been on a power circuit lately. No switch off power split. Okay, so he's been doing on a power circuit. You know, I'm doing those compound exercises too. I'm on a power circuit myself. Stronglifts.com is the one I'm following. All barbell exercises. Okay, so I'm not doing any of the machines right now. I'm not doing any isolated exercises. And, you know, that's what it is. You guys out there going to the gym and just focusing on the dumbbells and just your biceps. Don't worry about your biceps. Worry about total body exercises, squats, deadlifts, these compound exercises that work out your entire body. You don't need to be focusing on just trying to, you know, chisel up your bicep. What you need to do is maybe do some barbell rows and pull some weight, and that'll make your biceps stronger along with your back and your traps. Okay, if you're, you know, if you're a novice or an intermediate trainer out there, chances are you don't need to do specific exercises. You should be doing full body routines, in my opinion. Big movements, compound is right, says Cliff Martin. So he agrees. Yo, champ, put me up your crypto deposit so I can send you your favorite coin, Ripple. I don't got a deposit address for Ripple Namicon. I don't have a deposit address out there. Maybe I should do it as a joke. Shout out to BitPapa, $2 in the box. Boom! Shout out to Rafterman, $2 in the box. More crypto and money flowing out the roof, dropping out the sky. A little fiat everywhere. I appreciate you maniacs there. It looks like people are following the lead. They figured out the super chat, and I'll take $2, guys. I appreciate it out here. That goes to Baby Champ's formula. So Baby Champ could continue to gain weight. Keep that fiat coming, guys. I appreciate it, maniacs. Yo, Champ, keep up the fire. Thank you, Rafterman. I appreciate you, Rafterman. Rafterman, one of our high-ranking officials there in the box. The same with BitPapa. These guys have been following for a while. I've seen you guys for months now in the population in the chat box. And the fact that you guys keep coming back in, spreading that good energy here, I appreciate you maniacs, guys, because I say this before. You know, not only am I here to spread the good crypto word, but I'm here to receive it as well, okay? You guys spread that good word. Each one teach one. We're building here. Okay, it's about building, not destroying. Okay, you're either building or you're destroying. Over here on this side, we're building monuments higher and higher. We're building these structures with strong foundations out there. We're getting stronger with every trade and every lift. Kaboom to that, and kaboom to the snipers there on the field. Champ is one of the OGs. Real lies, real lies, says BitPapa. BitPapa sounds like a battle rapper out there, playing with the words out there. Shout out to all my battle rappers. If you're not following the battle rap, it's become a little more exciting than these pop rappers out there. They're playing with the words pretty good. Either send that fiat or smash the lights. Can't be out here freeloading. Fair exchange. Thank you, Cryptonomicon. I appreciate your positive energy out there. And thank you even to the silent lurkers. We got 34 there in the box. Not everybody has commented. I'm sure we have about 1 or 5 YouTubers trying to pick up on the slang out here. It's all good out there, guys. You guys should be dropping a little fiat as well. I noticed all centralized coins got completely murdered. EOS is the only exception, says Smooth Operator. Now, you know the debate out there with EOS that some are saying it's more centralized than others, and I can see that argument. But, you know, EOS is something different. It's something different. Although it is a, you know, arguably centralized coin, but you know, look out for EOS. We talked about some of the top performers yesterday as far as those coins that are maintaining their value, and those coins that have high transactions and capacity utilization on their blockchain. And EOS seems to show up in both categories. Shout out to Spiky Kevin. Kaboom! I see you, Spiky, another day one boomer. Smooth Operator says, looks like whales know where to put their money. Absolutely. They're taking notes, champ. We see them out there. They're taking notes. They want to boom how we boom. They want to spit how we spit. They want to trade how we trade. They want to shoot how we shoot. Guys, I told you from the very beginning, we will be separating the men from the mice here. The pits from the poodles. The feast from the famine. Which side are you on? Apparently, we got boomers on this side, and we will continue to separate that line out here. I only want men on the field. No little baby bear cubs, no little mice out there. BitPop not buying until the ETF sale tomorrow. If that ETF doesn't get approved, how many more of these ETFs? I stopped talking about the ETFs out there, guys, because I'm done with these cats already. These guys, you know, and the rest of the market out there waiting for Big Brother to give them a pat on the back. What is that? Crypto was never about getting the approval of the SEC or the banking system. Some of you guys need to check yourself out there and ask yourself why you're holding these bags. You keep inviting the bad guy into your house. Don't get surprised if you get robbed out there. Champ, you need a radio talk show. You have talent, man. Thank you, Roger. This is basically the radio talk show right now. We don't need radio anymore. We're live streaming to the entire globe. I love ETFs, champ. It's like a sale every time. Kaboom. Yes, indeed. Pound that like button. Rafterman says, indeed. Huge stacks in this chat. Absolutely. We got boomers out here. I know that you guys have been, I don't see any baby bear cubs in here. I'll tell you, we probably threw out most of those funny bunnies. You know, Champagne demands respect here in the population of the chat box. So if you come in with some funny bunny, chances are you already got blocked and thrown out the game. What remains here are those true, tried and tested cryptomaniac boomers out there that are holding the line no matter what. MAGA, my lawyer got arrested. Oh yeah, I mean, we could talk about the politics too. I was thinking about talking about how that may affect the markets. I have noticed that you know, the price of the dollar took a little bit of a dip out there, and how will that affect, you know, the dollar has you know, decreased in value over the past couple of days. And how will that affect the crypto market in the long run? You know how my theory it is. I don't think that the price of Bitcoin's going up. I don't think it's that. I think it's that the dollar is highly inflated and it's costing more money to buy a Bitcoin. So it's not necessarily that the price is going up. I think that the dollar is just, you know, highly inflated. That's, you know, what I've been saying for a while. DJI may have topped yesterday, says Shalom. Bitcoin don't need no ETC. Or ETF is probably what you're saying out there. ETC is Ethereum Classic. They say ETF could be detrimental to Bitcoin. Let's see, says Roger Oliver. You know, I'm done with it. I'm done waiting around. You know, look, I do expect the price to kaboom if the ETF gets approved, okay? Because, you know, so much speculation out there. But at the same time, you know, I'm not here waiting for the approval anymore. I'm not trying to cover the ETF all the time, and, you know, all the hype with the ETF there. It was a little bit too much hype for a second there. Champ, what's your opinion on Digibyte? If I buy it, I'd buy it if it got lower a bit. I consider it more promising than Litecoin, says Smooth Operator. Operator, I don't have anything bad to say about Digibyte. Okay, there's been a lot of Digibyte shillers there in the box. I know Digibyte's been around for a long time. And yesterday when we talked about the top performers and the top most used blockchain, Digibyte did come up on that list as one that did hold their value good. Not as good as other coins like EOS or like Ethereum Classic. But, you know, it's one to consider. You know, I definitely, I wouldn't take it off the list. I'm not on the Digibyte train, but I have nothing bad to say about that. Shout out to Ryan Shore. Kaboom! Another $2 in the box. You guys are showing love today. Ryan, another silent sniper coming out the foxholes to drop a little fiat on us. Ryan, thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Shalom. Save your fiat cannon for the bottom. Do not let the clowns get our coins. Only issue with Digibyte is microtransactions, says Cliff Martin. Cryptonomicon says, I'm about to take a loss and put in a stop limit now because if ETF does get approved, my $200 loss will turn to 500. Had an order at 68.25, expecting a short squeeze to hit 7,500 to 8K. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Me personally, Nomicon, I'm not much of a day trader. Okay, I'm not much of a day trader, so I'm not here trying to like, you know, get the short gains. You know, I'm more of a long-term hodler. I like to position my bags for the mid to long term. I used to do a lot of day trading, and you can check out some of the videos I had out there as far as the Bittrex pumps. But if I was doing day trading, I probably wouldn't touch it right now. I think things are too variable right now for me to know whether it's going to go up or down. But, you know, more power to you, Namicon. I'm sending my positive energy to my day traders out there because you guys are the ones that are really putting in that work, really taking in those risks. Wouldn't it be funny if the ETF gets approved, says Sky Operator? Yeah. That would be, I think most people are not expecting the ETF to get approved. And I showed you guys some of the articles, a few streams back, that some of these banksters were saying that they don't expect things to get approved till next year. Okay, so you never know. Try to pull a nice swing off Bitmex, but had other plans. LOL. Hey, you know, you can't win them all out there. The ETF is really funny bunny. Yeah, I'm done checking it out. You know, if it gets approved, more power to it, you know, but I'm not expecting it, guys. Shalom thinks that even if the ETF gets approved, they will still sell. And Cliff Martin would love to see these shorts get burnt. I would. I agree with that. You know, I mean, if you're shorting Bitcoin, I can see sometimes the strategy behind shorting Bitcoin, but me, just ethically, you know, I don't want to root for that team. I'm not rooting for fiat, guys. I'm a long-term cryptomaniac boomer, so you wouldn't catch me shorting bits. I don't want to catch that karma out here. If banksters say that, then you know you're getting close. You may be right out there, Smooth Operator. If you're just tuning in, it's the voice of the blockchain here, Satoshi's biggest cousin, cryptography's finest. We've been on for about 41 minutes. We've been talking about Bitcoin and some of the altcoins like EOS, Vechain, Zencash, and more. They've spiked in price after Bitmex paused trading temporarily. There is some speculation there in the chat box that perhaps Bitmex was performing some funny bunny activities. But we'll go ahead and take it if the price is positively impacted. Kaboom to Jojo Wave, another $1.99 there in the box. A little more fiat. Guys, it looks like everybody's throwing $2, guys. If you haven't thrown your two, go ahead and throw it. Throw your deuces up. Throw your deuces up. It looks like $2 is what champagne's worth right now. Is that what you guys think I am? Just a $2 maniac? I'll take it, guys. I'll take it. I'll take it. I appreciate the $2, a dollar. It's all good, guys. Thank you very much, Jojo. Thank you. Crypto Stacks, good morning. The first ETF approval will probably be the CBOE because they were the first to get futures contracts. That should be January or February 2019. And Stacks, that goes in line with what I've read from the banksters. More people, some of the banksters are expecting the ETF not to be approved until sometime next year. So that definitely goes in line from what I've read. Crypto Stack says it's stripper money. Yeah, we'll take a couple dollars. Why not? A couple fiat. You know, throw out the fiat. Make it rain here. History proves shorting Bitcoin will get you wrecked, so I wouldn't mess with that. I don't believe in 3,000 Bitcoin. It will never get that low. Chunk the deuces. Yeah, says Bit Papa. Yeah, guys, throw me 2, 3, 4, whatever. A dollar. It's all good, guys. I appreciate that. Shout out to Don Kiki. Shout out to Jojo Wave. I see you. Guys, if you're just tuning in, it looks like the population of the chat box here thinks that champagne's worth about $2. We got some super chats here, $2 donations, and I'll take them. I'll take them. They're going towards Baby Champagne's Formula Fund, and you know, it's a good thing. I appreciate all you maniacs. $2. So you know, throw your 2 out there. Throw the deuces up. Roger Oliver started the wave indeed. Absolutely, Roger. It seems like every little stream that we have here, Roger throws a couple dollars into the tip hat here, to the gratuity box, and I appreciate Roger for starting that wave. Thank you, Oliver, Roger Oliver. Kaboom to you. Definitely a sniper shot and more exploding. And why not a little bit more fiat? Thanks, Roger, says Cryptonomicon. Thank you as well, Roger. I thank you. Shalom says that is what I was doing. I don't know what you meant. Okay. You were doing something, but shout out to Shalom as well. We've been here for about 45 minutes, so I'll take a few more comments and questions. Invite you guys to check out the links that I have down below. And I was going to talk about these EOS air grabs, but perhaps I could do it on another video, being that, you know, we're kind of, you know, at the ending of this video. Maybe I'll post another video today, but I invite you guys to check out EOS Toolkit. There's something going on with air grabs. Okay, so this is kind of like an airdrop that you actually got to go and claim. And there's about 3 or 4 tokens that you guys may want to check out. Shout out to Crypto Stacks with $5. He's up in his game out there, guys. We got someone dropping 5 now. So everybody that dropped 2, you owe me 3. Okay, just because Crypto Stacks dropped 5. So now you guys owe me 3. All right. Shout out to Crypto Stacks. Crypto Stacks. Thank you very much. Kaboom. Baby Champ is the Oracle. Indeed, this is going to the Formula Fund for Baby Champ. He is the Crypto Oracle. Crypto Stacks just won up everybody. Well, just $3 upped everybody. Thank you, Stacks. I appreciate it. If you are selling the pumps, you are also shorting. That's a great way to put it out there, Shalom. That's why, I mean, I'm a hodler. I barely have sold in these pumps. I've sold on some of the pumps out there, but the majority I've hodled through the storm. You know, I'm here for a $1 trillion market cap. I want to see Bitcoin at least $25,000, $30,000. And I think that we could get there by the end of the year or sometime at 2019. So again, I'll probably do a whole nother video for my EOS Maniacs. There you go. Cryptonomicon just upped everybody with a $10 donation. He says, formula for Baby Champ. Kaboom! Thank you, Nomicon. Looks like you guys are doing a little battle now. Now you guys owe me $8. Everybody that only tipped $2, Nomicon just up you guys. So if you only tipped 2, you owe me 8. Crypto Stacks owes me 5. Thank you, Nomicon. I appreciate you, maniacs. Even the $2, the dollar, just you guys just silent lurking. I really appreciate you, maniacs. I didn't ever expect for a boomer like me out here to be leading the maniacs to crypto victory, getting fiat thrown at me, getting coins dropping out the sky, getting snipers shooting for me there, covering my back. I appreciate every single one of you maniacs out there. Kaboom! Tip drill, indeed. Sending 100 Ripple next. Namicon. Yeah, I should just get a Ripple address as a joke out there and see how many people send me Ripple out there, the trash bags. Thank you again, Namicon. I appreciate that. No Ward says it's raining bits. Indeed, it's raining bits. It's raining fiat too today. So if you're just tuning in, I'm about to start tuning out, but I probably should do another video today explaining these air grabs. It looks like General EOS out there, the creators of the EOS Toolkit, they have a tool here to grab tokens, the air grab tokens. You need to log in through your scatter. You can read more about the poor man token, but I'm going to go ahead and do a separate video for this. I think that this could work for its own video, but definitely check that out. This will probably be my next video. A Bripple for all my blood. Shout out to Bit Papa. Cripple. Cripple or Bripple. All right. Shout out to Bit Papa. Cryptonomicon. That just upped everybody out there in the population of the chat box. All you guys owe me at least $10 if you didn't throw something in the box. Most of you guys owes me $8. I appreciate you guys. Anytime, broski, look forward to your videos like I look forward to Breathing Champ. Have a great day. Gotta go. Thank you, Namicon. I look forward to doing these videos every day. It's one of the highlights of my day. Definitely gives me some good positive energy. And like I said, I never expected for a boomer like me to be leading all the young Nakamotos to crypto victory. I appreciate all you maniacs out there. Thank you again. So shout out to BitPapa, Namicon, Roger Oliver, and the rest of the boomers that threw a little bit of fee out there in the box. If you want to see what I got, go to TradingView, Bitcoin Day 1, and put on Ma X ribbon under the study templates tab. Okay, if you guys want to check out Shalom's what he's got on TradingView, put that into the tab. Peace, Namicon. I'm gonna go ahead and tune out. I probably will pop up later on today or sometime. I'll probably will do this video on EOS air grabs. It looks like these airdrops, air grabs, they do get some hits there on the views. So let's see how that turns out. All right, guys, I'm going to be tuning out. Thanks again. Okay, thanks again for all the maniacs. Let me throw another bomb out there for you guys, for all the tips there in the population of the chat box. Namicon upped it to 12. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Not only did he dropped 2 plus 10, so he upped it to 12. Most of you guys owes me $12 or $10. Okay, guys, so hurry up and throw that in the box. Thanks again, everybody here, Derek, Jojo, Oliver, Rafterman, and the rest of the boomers like Big Papa and Shalom Dunn. I'll be tuning out, but I'll probably be back today, if not tomorrow, guys. I appreciate you guys again. It's the voice of the blockchain here, Satoshi's biggest cousin, cryptography's finest, your favorite YouTuber's favorite YouTuber. They're in the chat box right now, silently taking notes. Cryptography's finest, Champagne Crypto. Thanks for tuning in.